Just us.
Great.
So, what happens now? Well, we could walk by the bar, see if anyone checks us out.
Hello? No boys tonight. That's the whole point.
Okay, well, we can at least talk about them, right? Let's face it, without that, we got nothing. So,
keep me lighted up. Keep me lighted up. Keep me lighted up. Lighted up.
Oh, well, it's just that, Seth is throwing, Ryan a birthday party tomorrow night at the bait shop, and I wanted to invite you.
Does Ryan know you're inviting me?
Not exactly.
Summer, you know I can't go unless Ryan invites me himself.
I know. This sucks.
Yep. Tell me about it.